Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up a case for my Galaxy Z Flip 5. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Caseology Nano-Pop for the Flip 5. I have used Caseology before. I do like the Nano-Pop cases, and I decided to pick it up from Amazon. I picked up the navy one, navy and yellow, or navy and gold. Kind of reminds me of a certain team over here. But nice packaging from them. I will have the links in the description. You can get this from Amazon. Like we normally do in my case videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Does it fit well? Just the overall feel? Does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Do you get camera protection? All the good stuff. But let's get into it. They have the little easy pull-up tab there. So, bam, you have the front piece here. You do have some adhesive strips. It looks like they give you some extra ones too. So you get a bunch of extra ones in case you like taking off your phone. You also get a little booklet here, some wipes, a cloth. Man, it's like opening a Christmas present. And then here is the back part of it. I think this is going to be a great case. I think this is one I might rock with. But it tells you a couple things here before installing. Remove the strips. Do not slide the device in. So if you get this, go ahead and look at the instructions. Make sure you do the installation the way that they instruct you to do. So what I'm gonna do is we'll go ahead and remove the adhesive strips. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. All right, so I got all the adhesive strips out there. I'm liking the color of this case, but let's see, let's install this one first. Again, you wanna make sure that it's in there good. Make sure everything is tight in there. Then you want to put the front piece on here. Let the adhesive strips do its job. Alright, so I got the case on there. And look, you do get some camera protection and lip action around the front. The back is totally covered. No hinge protection there at all. Not at all. It doesn't add bulk. Let's test out the power button and the volume rockers. Power button is easy to press. The volume rockers work great. As you can tell there. Let's turn down this brightness. So yeah, the volume rockers are easy to press. The power button is great. And the nice thing too, I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but it has like this extra grip on the side. Listen. So it has like this extra grip, so when you're holding it, it gives you something to grab onto, which is pretty cool. Everything lines up at the bottom here. You have enough room for your charging port. Same thing for the microphone. When you close it up, you do have enough room to get to the fingerprint scanner. Doesn't get in the way. But yeah, you do have lip protection all the way around. Now when you open it up, the one thing I noticed, it doesn't go over that display very much. So if you lay it down, you will definitely scratch up the end of the display, but how many times are you really going to just lay this flat? You're going to close it up and put it on the back here. It doesn't have bulk. This is definitely not a bulky case at all. It actually feels really good. I love the grip right there. I just love the colors too. It comes in many different colors. You don't have to get this color if you don't want to. Now, in the overall fit, you're not going to pull it off with the adhesive strips that you have on there. It's just not It is just not going to come off. you really will have to pull it off to get the adhesive strips to break, which is a good thing because you don't want them just to come off easily. Man, what y'all think? I like this case. Definitely Caseology is becoming one of my go-to case companies. And there, look, you can see the profile too. The profile doesn't change. I mean, it's pretty much, you know, it doesn't make the case, I mean, the phone thick at all. And it's just there. Now, can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. And as you can tell, you can wireless charge without any problems because that back is just hard plastic. You do have a little Caseology logo there. Man, so real quick, it definitely protects your phone, gives you that lip action, protects the back if you want to lay it down, doesn't add bulk, the buttons are really good, everything lines up perfectly well, adds some grip to it. The only thing, it doesn't have hinge protection, which is okay, unless you drop your phone and it lands on it, but for these flips, I think the hinge protection not being there is okay. But I definitely like it. If you want to pick it up, I will have links in the description. That way you can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.